I'm gonna tell you a simple method that you can use to make money online by using Facebook Marketplace. And this is the method that I have personally used back in 2022 to make money online. So this method can be used by every person, whether you are from the US, from Canada, from India, from Africa. You can use this method to make money online, and you don't need any investment. You don't need any special skill to make money by using this specific method. So all you need is your internet and your phone. Here is what you have to do. You're gonna log into your Facebook account and then visit Facebook Marketplace. On Facebook Marketplace, there are people who are selling different products which they no longer need. For instance, see somebody who is selling a camera, a phone, different gears that they no longer need. What you're gonna do, you're gonna inbox those people who seem to be selling products which still has a potential, and ask him whether they can meet in person and check out the conditions of those products. After finding that those products are still in good conditions, you can ask him whether he can give you a discount. For instance, if he was asking $500 for a camera for any product, you can ask him for a discount, maybe 20% discount, because the person wants to get rid of the product. He no longer needs the product. He will give you the product at the price that you have suggested. After buying the product, you're gonna take it because you have checked the condition of the product and you already know that the product is still in good condition. You're gonna take it and put it back on the same platform, the same Facebook Marketplace. But at this time, you will put your own profit. So if you have bought this product at maybe $350, you're gonna put it at $450 because you're not rushing and you really know that the product has potential. People will start inboxing you, asking you whether they can buy the product from you. You sell them the product at $450, and you keep doing this for many other different products, but after checking out their conditions. And I promise you, if you keep doing this consistently, you will turn this into a profitable side hustle that will make you more than $1,000 per month. I have personally used this method to survive during my university years back in 2022 when I was struggling. Now, if you need more other ways to make money online, especially those people who are trying to hustle to start some side hustles, I want you to subscribe to my channel because I'll be creating more other videos showing you how you can easily make money online by using simple method. So this is Mr. TA. Ciao.